Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to create your own voice in ElevenLabs. So guys, in order for you to do this, first thing go to ElevenLabs.io and this will be their homepage. And now from here on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here voices. So here on the voices tab on the top right corner, as you can see, you will have here create or clone a voice. So as you can see down below, we have multiple people who have their own voice over here uploaded. And now in order for you to create your own voice, click this one. And now you will have here a voice design, which from here you can design a new voice and create one using a text prompt. And now you will have two tabs over here. So we have the prompt. So our prompt will be an old British male with a raspy, deep voice and professional, relaxed, assertive. So you can randomize it as well. So pretty much you can also adjust the prompt based on your own personal preferences on how do you want your voice to sound like. And you will have here the text preview on what will the voice said. So from here, you can also have auto generate as well. And you can also go for the settings to adjust the loudness, the quality, and the guidance scale over here. So pretty much when you go to your mouse, as you can see, you should be able to see what this does. And pretty much once you have adjusted the necessary prompts, you can just simply select generate a voice. Now after that, you will have three types of voices over here. So hear them out and just simply choose what's best for you. And now you can just simply select voice over here. And after that, you can name your own voice over here. This I'm gonna go for old men. And from here, you could add a label and you could have the value as well over here of the language. And when you select add label, it will add another one like accent over here. And once you are done on your voice design, select save voice. And when you go to my voices over here on the second tab, as you can see, we will have our voice over here. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.